like this every day. 1940 Oldsmobile two-door touring sedan. As you can see, finished in black, which would have been the original. Paint color on this car is a 40 paint code. Data tag is still on the cowl. According to the data tag, it had Canda, C-A-N-D-A, so Canda interior. 1940, a little before my time. I can't say I've probably ever seen one of these stock, but it does have a, I would call it camel colored cloth interior to it. Maybe somebody on YouTube that sees it could fill us in. Take a look at the front grille. Headlight surrounds. Again, very stock looking car to the way it would have been produced back in 1940. Does it have its imperfections here and there? Yes. What car is not going to at this age? A little spot in the grille, maybe a little scuff or a nick in the paint here and there, but overall this car does show pretty cool. It's almost nice having a few of those blemishes on a 1940 that you're going to get in and drive. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, you can check out that interior I was talking about. Underside still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels, center wheel covers, Coker Classic wide whites. Look up and down that car too. It is straight, does not look like it's had a bunch of work done to it. And the paint, as you can see, it's got a nice reflection coming off it. It still shows nice, but it is an older paint, and it's not going to be perfect, but it does show well. Let's check this exterior out. This is also in pretty nice shape. Like I said, to me, kind of a camel color interior, cloth. Look at that. It looks like the original steering wheel, dash components. What a fun one to take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. We're going to fire it up here too so you can hear it run. This has always been a smooth runner. It's got a 230 underneath the hood, inline 6, and that is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Shifter on the column, or 3 on the tree as it's known. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And take a look. Even the bright work, pretty nice shape. Yes, you got a little bit of pitting and what have you on the chrome, but overall, again, considering the age of this vehicle, how long it has lasted since 1940, and the condition it is still in. Pretty cool to see these old ones still around like this. And no, it's not a frame off restoration. No, it's not a $40,000-$50,000 car. It's one person can afford, get in and drive, have a little fun with. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. You can see pictures inside the trunk. Again, the underside, the interior, the engine bay, and some service work. Let me go through what was recently done on this car in our service department. So recent service work would be 4 wheel cylinders. Those were replaced. Master cylinder, brake hoses, engine and transmission mounts, and a brake light switch. Those are all new, just recently to this. When the car came into our shop. So I just want to fill you in on that. Again, take a look at the reflection coming off that driver's door. So, idea how the paint shows. All right, look at this interior. Again, looking pretty stock, as I would imagine this would have came. Obviously, the seats have been reupholstered and carpeting done. Once again, that headliner was in good shape. You can see that from the passenger side. Starter for this is down on the floor by the gas pedal. So what we're going to do, let's hop on in here, turn the key to the right, gives us power, and if you can see way underneath there, right here, we're going to push that down. Listen to that. Check the gauges out. Boom, there went the oil pressure. Net meter gauge, also moving. Fuel gauge came up. Assuming that temperature is going through, let me take that back. They do have a little aftermarket one down underneath here too, if you can see that. So looks like they may have added an aftermarket. Look at how stock that dash looks. Pretty cool. Let's make sure we are in neutral. All right, slip around the back of this so you can hear it run. We're gonna check out that engine bay too. How nice that door closed. Did not swing it very hard either. There you go. Again, 230 underneath the hood, inline 6. About what I'd imagine. No crazy exhaust, just an inline 6 humming along. And let's pause this 1 second and pop this hood. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there we go. Hood popped. It does have an inside the cab release, so there is a hood pull inside the passenger compartment, of course, on the driver's side, down to your left, over your left need be. Look at that. There's that inline 6. 230 cubic inches. I believe that's 3.8 liters. Look at how smooth that runs, how good it sounds. You watched my videos before, lots of times I say it's sometimes what you can't hear when the engine bay is opened up and the engine's running. Sounds good. 1940 Oldsmobile 2-door touring sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call, enter, email.